This is a law enforcement warning. Repeating, this is a law enforcement warning.
There is an unknown creature roaming around the city of London.
We have Alexa downtown.
Alexa Novelis, how are things going downtown? This is an emergency for the Roblox community.
A lot of games were hacked by an unknown hacker.
We don't know who it is, but it's unknown who the hacker's name is.
Stay tuned.
Breaking news for this Roblox community.
The hacker, also known as Joseph Torres, a 24-year-old white male.
If you see him in game, disconnect immediately or you will be hacked by him.
Stay tuned for the emergency procedures if it gets worse.
Breaking news for the whole world.
The manhunt for Joseph Torres has now started immediately.
Anybody within the United States portion must evacuate to Canada or Mexico, as these are the safest places you can imagine. But if you want to go to other continents such as Africa, Asia, Europe, or Oceania, that's a correspondent too.
I didn't mean to say Mexico, as it could get dangerous very soon. Like Latin America and South America could be dangerous really soon. Stay tuned for this one. This is an administrative message for the whole Roblox community and London community.
For the Londons, the unknown creature mysteriously disappeared and was not harmful.
For the Roblox community,
the hacker was shot and killed in Glendale by the Los Angeles Police Department, and everybody is good to go. Stay tuned.